Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is the last video of swapping two numbers and the last logic, that is logic 5. So you might be thinking what's new in logic 5. Yes, it's absolutely new. Maybe some of you might be knowing about the logic 5, but it's new for many beginners. Let's start. What we will do, we will use a single statement to swap two numbers, only a single statement. Now you might be thinking that what is in single statement, how can we do it with a single statement? Yes, we can do. Let me show you. Let us first declare two variables and assign them some values as usual as we do. So let us declare int a equals to 10 and int b equals to 20. Okay, it's done now. Now what's our single statement? So let me write it. We'll write b equals to a plus b minus, and in bracket we'll write a equals to b. Now how this logic will work, let me show you. We know that execution always begins from right, means execution always happens from right to left. So what it will do here, it will first solve the bracket and assign a as 20. Here it is written uh, a equals to b, which means a will be equal to now 20. Now what we'll do is a plus b. Now let's go for a plus b. A plus b will be equal to a plus b will be equal to 30. Okay, now it is saying that what we have to do, we have to a plus b minus a equals to b. It means simply we have to do 30 minus 20, which is the value of a now, which will be equal to 10. So now b has 10 in it and a has 20. So this was all about swapping. Now let us check whether our logic is right or not. So I'll write here system.out.println after swapping a equals to plus a plus b equals to plus b. So let us first write here before swapping. And we'll copy this statement because the statement is same, so why do we need not to waste time. Yes, now this is what we have done. So let us run this program, and when we run, see, before swapping the values were a equals to 10 and b equals to 20, and after swapping b became 10 and a became 20. So we are successful with this logic and it works, and this is the most easiest, I think everyone will tell. So this was all about in our video today. We'll meet with another topic and another logics in the next video. Thank you.